video, I'm going to create two VLANs, and each these routers, by the way, are emulating PCs. All I care is just about the ping command. You know, this is just Cisco networking and reachability. I don't really care about, you know, layers 5, 6, and 7, you know, running Microsoft machines. I just care simply about the VLANs, that layer 2 and layer 3. So this particular lab, I'm just concerned about layer 2 and just testing out functionality, pinging across switches. So like this will be VLAN 10, this will be VLAN 10, this will be VLAN 20, and this will be VLAN 20. This is just to test the layer 2 connectivity. Well, watch and see what happens here. This works a little funky. Alright, so first I'm going to go into this first switch, and I'm going to this will be switch 1, and I'm going to configure this as VLAN 10, this is VLAN 20, and configure the trunk. Okay. Okay, so you can see if I click on this link, you'll see the interfaces. 02 on the switch side, 00 on the router side, or on the PC side, emulated PC side. Okay, so I'm going to go into 0/2, which is the connection to PC1, and what's going on here? My computer just kind of went crazy here. Okay. VLAN 10, and access. Okay, and if I click on this link, you should see it's 03 to 00. Okay, and while I'm doing the switches, I'll head over here. I get all the layer 2 stuff done. Oh, well, yeah, I'll get all the access. Now this is, I believe, would be 0/1, because this is 01 to 00. This is 01 to 00, and this is 02 to 00. So this time we have 0, so 01. So 01 is connecting from here to here. So this will be VLAN 10. Okay, so 02, that's the interface that's connecting to this right here. And I'm done on the switches. Oh, I just have to configure the, I have to configure the trunk port. Uh, 01. Okay. So Make sure the trunk is up, which it is. Trunking here as well. I guess that must not be turned on by default anymore. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into R1, call this PC1. Oh, while I'm at it, I might as well just type in the no. Okay, and then over here, this is also going to be part of VLAN 10. Uh-oh. Now, I did 1.1.3. Okay, and if we do if we just trace this here, 0, 0 to 0, 2, right? It did the right interface, 0, 0. Here's 0, 2. 0, 2. So now if we just do a show VLAN brief, 02 is indeed in VLAN 1. Remember, we verified the trunk earlier, so that should get it across here. And it's 0, 0. We got 0, 1 on the switch to 0, 0 on the router or PC. And yeah, okay. So let's see if this ping works. So this ping should work, which it does. Excellent. Now here's where I've been having issues in the past. Let's see. Let's see if this does the same thing. Okay, so over here now, I want to create another VLAN. So, okay, so I already got VLAN 3, and VLAN 3, I'm sorry, VLAN 20 is connected to interface 3, 03. There's 00 on the router. Shut. And that. Okay, so now if I come over here, we got 02 set up on the VLAN 20. And that connects to 01. And ooh, no. I'm sorry. This is the interface. Yeah, this is what we're doing now. 02, so it's 02 to 00. 02 to 00. And we're configuring .2.4. Okay, so now, so you see that this was configured to, okay, that was configured with that, and we trace this to 03, 00 to 03, and we 03 is indeed in VLAN 20. Okay, and now over here it should be 02 should be in VLAN 20, which it is. Okay, and this is on the same subnet. This is 10.2.2.4, which is on the same subnet as this. So now from here I should be able to ping 10.2.2.3. Let's see if this works. And it does. Okay, well, it's successful and it works.